Now, this is a very important distinction. It divides our whole subject into two quite different departments. Historians and ethnologists are interested in the differences, and one can study the mythologies and philosophies of the world with an accent on these differences. On the other hand, the problem emerges of the elementary ideas. Why are they everywhere? And this is a psychological problem, and it's a problem that separates us in our discussion of comparative forms from the whole research having to do with differences. Now, what I want to do today is, in giving the story of the Oriental systems, to insist on the elementary aspect. The second idea that I have in mind is as follows. Somewhere in the 9th and 8th centuries BC, a shift of accent takes place, particularly in the Orient, where instead of simply presenting the images are interpreted. That's to say, we're going to turn from simply what might be called visual and active relationship to the forms of myth through the imagery of myth and the rituals through which the myth is rendered into life. There was a turn to thinking about these things, interpreting them. And so the Oriental philosophies actually represent a discourse interpreting the elementary ideas.